This is the next in a series of Copperland workshop videos. We're going to discuss duty cycles of the torches. Now this is the Mig Torch or Mig Gun that comes standard with the Northern Tool DC welding machine. And since your duty cycle on the machine is 30%, the duty cycle on this Tig or this Mig Torch is also 30% at 200 amps. So generally the guns that they send with the welding equipment are matched with the same duty cycle as your machine. So you can weld for 3 minutes with this at 200 amps, and then when you turn the machine off, this will cool down. Now here's the Tig Torch option for the Northern Tool welder. This is a DC Tig Torch. Nice small handle on it. Plugs right into the front panel. And according to the specs on this, your amperage is 150 amps at 35% duty cycle. So you don't want to go over your 150 amps with this torch. And then this is a standard feature that comes with the Northern Tool machine. This is your Mig Welding Gun, which is used to weld aluminum. And according to the specs on this particular welding gun, the Mig Gun, 200 amps using CO2, 160 amps using argon CO2 mixed gas. Duty cycle is again 35%. So you got to watch two things: the amperage ratings with the duty cycles. But like I said, those are pretty well matched to this machine. The AHP also comes with a Tig Torch, similar to the Northern Tool torch, and it comes with stick stingers for welding stick. And again, the cables, the torches, have pretty much the same duty cycle. You're probably still looking at, say, 35% at 150 amps with the small Tig Torch that comes with this unit. When we get over to the Avortec, they send a much heavier duty Tig Torch. It's really a heavy duty torch, and that one would be closer matched to the maximum duty cycle on this machine, 60% at 250 amps. Don't go over that cycle. You will melt down the torches. If you feel them getting hot through your glove, it's getting too hot. You're using too much amperage, or you have them on too long. Like we said in the first video, these two machines have a pulsing feature, which we're going to discuss in the next video. When you're pulsing amperage, you're using a lot less amperage to weld heavy plate, heavy pieces of material. Pulsing allows you to use a much more efficient welding pulse than if you had just a straight AC or DC welding cycle. So we'll get into that in the next video, and we'll talk about some of the features on these machines and what the panels look like, how you use the panels or the features that are on the panels, and we'll just compare with the three machines, what your knobs and the buttons and everything do. So that's in the next video.